Viewers, today latest update about war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and the Tigray Defense Force in Ethiopia. Viewers, heavy fighting reported is going on in Athi between Shavarov and Kemsi. There is also a heavy fighting going on in Faichi side of Debre Birhan. The two directions are going on in the important city of Debre Birhan around 130 km. On the other side, Ethiopia's chance to end conflict is little. Feltman returns to Addis Ababa to urge dialogue, and the United Nations warns of dire repercussions of the Ethiopia crisis. The African Union and the United States have said there is little chance of an end the fighting in Ethiopia. While the United Nations has warned that the risk of Ethiopia plunging into full-scale civil war is very real. The African Union envoy for the Horn of Africa, former Nigerian president, and the United Nations political coordinator briefed the United Nations Security Council. Viewers, Obasanjo said that by the end of the week, we hope to have a program that show how they can allow humanitarian access and a troop withdrawal that satisfies all parties. The United Nations estimates that 400 people in the Tigray region of northern Ethiopia are living in famine-like conditions after a year of war. All these leaders here in Addis Ababa and in the north individually agree that their differences are political and require a political solution through dialogue. Obasanjo told the 15-member Security Council. But Obasanjo stressed that the chance we have is slim and the time is short. Viewers, on Monday, the United States Department also said that Washington believes there is a small window for working with the African Union to make progress in ending the conflict with the return of United States envoy for the Horn of Africa, Jeffrey Feltman, to Addis Ababa. On Monday, the African Union held a closed meeting to discuss the crisis. Where's bloodbath warning? The rebels of Tigray region denied the possibility of a bloodbath in Addis Ababa if they enter it to overthrow the government, stressing that their goal is not to control the capital and that its residents do not strongly oppose them. For its part, several countries have called on their nationals to leave Ethiopia at a time when the conflict between the rebels and government forces in the north of the country is escalating. On Saturday, the United States government ordered its non-essential diplomats to leave Ethiopia. After announcing last weekend that they had recaptured two strategic cities 400 km from the capital, the TPLF fighters and their allies from the Oromo Liberation Army did not rule out advancing towards Addis Ababa. For its part, the government denied any advance by the rebels or a threat to the capital. However, it declared a state of emergency and the Addis Ababa authorities asked residents to organize themselves to defend the city. And viewers, Getachew Reda, a spokesman for the TPLF, described the talks as told that its forces would keep advancing towards the capital Addis Ababa unless the government lifted its blockade of the Tigray region. The former Nigerian president, who is in Ethiopia trying to negotiate an end to the war, has denied that his attempts at mediation are unwelcome. Mr. Obasanjo, the African Union appointed envoy, has met the head of the Tigray People Liberation Front, Bresson Gebre Michael. So, how do the opposing forces feel about the special envoy visit to mediate in Mekelle? Getachew spoke to Bola Mosro. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.